Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share, since Christmas Day, I've been trying to work on my stash and I've cleaned out a few kits that I've had from the Stamps of Life, and so I'm going to share some of these cards with you and go from there. So sit back, it's a lot. I might break them up actually into I have 3 different paper pads that I finished all the collection of, and so I made cards with the scraps of it, and so that's what I'm sharing. So this is the first paper pack, and then I'll make videos of the other ones. And so this is the Love You collection. I'm not sure if it was a 2020 collection. It could have even been a 2019 collection. But anyway, so I did have some bits and pieces, and so I've made 7 cards out of whatever I had left, and put together some stuff from my stash as well. Let's see. So there's the first one. And so you can see I just pieced this one all over like a quilt. And that's how I used up those scraps. Here's another one. And they're all blank inside. I just only have the sentiments on the outside. And it is a birthday toast. And here are the toasts there. Here's another one. And so I've liked using, because I do end up with a lot of strips when I use my collections, and so I've liked turning them into backgrounds and just saving them, you know, on the side until I have a moment, and then putting some card bases together to have. Here's another one. I have a box of sentiments that I just stamped out, and I think I've shared this before. So here it is. I just have a whole box of sentiments that I've stamped on scrap pieces of paper. And I just have them in this box, and when I wanted to use up these scraps, I just came in and got, you know, sentiments I already had made. So it made it kind of fast. And then I might have mixed these up. Oh well, if I did. Here's another one. It's another birthday toast. And then thanks a bunch with this bunch of seashells? No, starfish. The bunch of starfish. I'm sorry. I'm kind of out of it. Christmas Day, my daughter ended up getting sick and she has COVID. So I'm pretty sure we all have COVID. And I'm so far the one that's holding out. I've not had symptoms, except I think I do have a fever, but that's probably it. And this is the last one from this paper pack. But otherwise, we're doing fine, you know. She's up, and then she goes and rests, and then she gets up and goes and rests. So we're doing good. But so these were the 7 I got out of that one pack. So 7 cards added. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See you here. And until my next video, shakas!